In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Canva. This is a quick but really useful trick, especially if you spend a lot of time designing and you want your workspace to feel more comfortable or visually appealing. Maybe you prefer a darker interface to reduce eye strain, or you like a lighter look that feels clean and bright. Either way, changing your theme only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. You should be on the main Canva homepage, where you can see your recent designs and templates. Now, look down at the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small profile area. It usually shows your profile picture or initials, and it might also display your name or account type. Go ahead and click on that profile icon in the bottom left. When you click it, a small panel or menu will appear. This is where Canva keeps a lot of your personal and account-related settings. Take a second to let that panel load so you can clearly see all the options available there. In this panel, look for the option labeled Theme. The exact position can vary slightly as Canva updates its layout from time to time, but it's typically listed among other interface or appearance settings. Once you spot Theme, click on it. After you click on Theme, Canva will present you with the available theme options for your interface. Commonly, you'll see choices like a light mode and a dark mode. In some cases, there might be a system option that follows your computer's settings. Choose the theme that feels most comfortable for your eyes and your working environment. For example, dark mode is often helpful if you're working at night or in low light, while light mode can feel better in bright rooms. As soon as you select a theme, Canva should apply it right away, so you'll see your interface update instantly. If you don't like how it looks, you can simply click back into the theme option and switch to a different one. There's no limit to how often you can change it, so feel free to adjust it as your needs or preferences change. And that's all you need to do. By using the profile icon in the bottom left and selecting theme, you can quickly customize how Canva looks while you design.